guys, so for some reason, this store in Cypress, Texas, gonna have a few bones to pick up me. Well, me too. I ain't happy. Put myself right there where I was at and stay there. And let them come to me. And I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna let them have all the lies. But guys, you're gonna be there. And with me, I'm gonna look. Come to me. Yep.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
My phone. Is there something you want? Because you was looking at me for some reason over there. Over there, y'all was looking at me for some reason.
No, the other man.
The other
man, not me.
Huh?
The other man, not me.
So yeah. So who's the other man? I need you to take me to that one, okay? Please, just take me to that one.
Oh, he's in the break room now.
Take me to him.
I don't want to do that.
No.
He show you, but it's not me.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
I just want the soap out of it.
No, but it's no cut. I want this taken care of now.
The rest should be right there.
He went into the break room. Guys, I'll give you information right back.